Welcome back, guys. Dale the Artist here, and today's video is going to be part 2 of the devlog for my new game, Rodent Rampant, which is to release later on this year. Now, with that being said, it's been about 2 weeks since I last posted any progress or updates on the game, so let's see what I've been up to.
Who are you?
Alright guys, so it's been a couple weeks since the last devlog. What the hell have I been up to? For starters, I knew I needed to create at least a couple weapons to get the character running around with in the environment, so I came up with a shotgun as well as a submachine gun. And to answer your question, guys, yes, those are toothpicks.
Oh my god! Wow!
And although the character showcasing for the last devlog didn't look too bad with the character just walking around, I wanted to leverage the playing field by using Unreal Engine 5 retargeting system to grab those animations from the UE4 mannequin and put them on my model.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh yeah, and I had to create a blend space within the locomotion blueprint to blend transitions from one animation to another. Now, after parenting the weapon to the hand sockets, I had to fix the weapon's orientation and scale, so the weapon doesn't come in face the wrong direction or too big or small. So before we get started with the walkthrough, I do want to do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see the updates from last devlog versus this one. Alright guys, so one very noticeable upgrade and update is this room in front of us. Here in the previous devlog, it was nothing but a light and a door. Now with the second pass, I added carpet, a window, desk, furniture, things of that sort. And down the hall, you noticed before is really congested, but now you see by just adding a complementary wire to the scene, it adds more depth. And with the bathroom, you guys can see it was nothing again but a light, but now we added a bathtub, water, toilet, and a counter. And if you look at the vent, this is really noticeable is the fact that on the left there's nothing else. The wall looks really thin, but here on the right I added more depth to it to give the illusion that there's a lot more going on and build up on the complexity. Alright guys, quick promo. If you guys wanted to help me out and support this game in its development, I created a Patreon specifically for this project. And it comes in 3 different tiers and they all grant you access to a few different perks, as well as access to the Discord where you guys can chat with me.
No! God, please, no! No!
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good